special announcement. I'm sitting in our brand new car.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zubs! Good morning! O, tignan nyo naman, no? Nandito ako ngayon sa airport kung saan malapit ang DHL. Ayan guys, kasi meron akong ipapa-ship sa Pilipinas. And kung naghahanap kayo dito sa Adelaide, dito ako nagpapa-ship via aeroplano. So halika, bawal lang ang sa loob kaya hindi ko iba-vlog. Let's go. Guys, wala pang 5 minutes tapos na ako kasi walang tao. So ito na, pabalik na ako ulit ng kotse. Naririnig ko yung mga aeroplano from here. Kasi yun lang siya. Dapat natapat siya talaga ng saan maglalanding yung aeroplano. Hi baby, did you cry? Hindi ka na?
Ayos na?
Tapos na, bilis. Let's go.
He's driving.
Oh no, Mimi. Why are you driving?
He's driving.
Come back here na. Okay guys, papunta na muna kami ng Harbour Town. Doon kami magla-lunch. Ililibre kami ni Mother Goose. Stargy kasi
Dilibre kami ni Mimi.
Lilibre kami dahil kasama namin siya. Out! Hindi ka pwede out dun sa seat to. We're gonna have lunch. Gutom na kami. Si Mimi. Si Mimi ay nakahubad sa
Punta lang doon sa post.
sleepy. Oh, sleepy pala si Mimi dati. Ay! Burp! Naku, magsha-shopping na naman si Daddy. Lululemon. Love it. Okay, on the way na kami guys. Why, babe? Oh, si Mom. Oh, wait lang guys.
She's waiting for us. Go, mommy. Kaya mo yan in your new Lululemon. Alright, we are at Harbour Town, guys. Malapit sa airport. Mimi's got her Mickey Mouse.
Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
Alrighty guys, first on the dinnerly menu is the sizzling Mongolian beef with capsicum and jasmine rice.
Use that hand too much. It's going too fast. Perfect. One step back. Good. Go again. Forward your arm. One back. Swing forward to the left. Good. Take one step back. Right. So one step back. Yeah, that was all hand again. Use your shoulder. Use your arm. Better. Move your strength to the middle of that box. I really love mate. And you notice the ball toss was in front again, so you have to go fast. Change it. Yeah, too far with that ball toss. Just place it there. There you go.
What's up guys? Special announcement, I'm sitting in our brand new car. It's not a brand new car, it is a second-hand car, but this is a very, very good family car. I know we showed you in the vlogs that we've been looking around for a family car, so we finally now have an 8-seater. So everybody can fit in, plenty of room, plenty of foot space. It's basically brand new. The dashboard, like I said before during the other vlog, pretty much hasn't been touched. The back seats look amazing. Woo! So yeah, we're really excited. We will show you what it looks like. But yeah, I just want to talk about it, that for quite some time we've had a hatchback and it was a perfect car for the time being. But we knew eventually that, you know, the kids would grow up, they would get a little bit taller, there'd be less room. King's feet, or his knees, are actually on the dashboard already. Ali is usually sitting behind me and her knees are touching my seat. So, and then of course, Mimi's going to get bigger and bigger. Mummy will stay the same size and me. But yeah, we needed to upgrade and finally we had the opportunity. We looked around and we found what we liked and yeah, we love it. We're so happy and we can't wait to take this on a road trip. We already talked about it with Alvi. So hopefully you'll see some road trips upcoming in this beautiful car that we got today.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
You like our car, babe?
Yes, it's very spacious.
Maluwag, kaya winner! Naka-winner kami doon dahil hindi siya talaga masyadong gamit. And pang family car, so kaya yun yung una namin talagang napili. Pinagpilian namin do yung Sorento na 2018. Tapos yan. So, syempre, nanalo ang Kia dahil... Kia din yung Sorento. Nanalo ang Carnival dahil nga parang van siya. Kasi yung Sorento, parang kotse na namin yung dati sa Philippines. Ganon din yung itsura. Kaya hindi na namin yung pinili. Parang something new since nandito kami sa Australia. Tsaka, nung nagamit namin yung kotse kasi nila Alvi, parang mas nagagamit namin yung space. Dahil nga ang dami na namin. So, pag nagpunta pa dito yung mommy ko, siguro by next year, mas puno na kami. So, yun ang reason kung bakit Kia ang ginamit namin. So, ngayon naman, ito, niluluto ko yung itlog. Kasi si Mimi, hindi siya kumakain ng sinigang. Medyo maasim din kasi ito. Tapos, pinaluto namin sa mami ni Andy yung dinala sa amin nila Aldi na Dinnerly, yung tawag doon. Kung nagtataka kayo kung saan pwedeng orderin, Dinnerly yung pangalan ng app. Tapos, yun na nga, binigyan kami ng mga recipe. So, since magaling magluto ang mami ni Andy, pinasubukan muna namin sa kanya. Tapos, ito na. Yun ang aming dinner. Aliyah, matulog ka na. Yay! Ang saya namin, guys, kasi nakuha na namin yung kotse na gusto namin. Maraming salamat kasi yun din yung choice ninyo para sa amin. Kaya talaga namang alam namin na hindi kami nagkamali doon sa pinili namin na kotse. So ayun, happy naman. Happy lalo si Mimi kasi nakikita niya yung view kapag naka-car seat siya. Kitang-kita niya yung side. So, syempre, pag bata, di ba, nag-wonder pa yan kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na nakikita niya sa labas. Tapos si King, yung space, na ma-maximize niya na. Tapos si Aliyah din, ganon. Nakakatayo kasi si Aliyah dun sa loob ng kotse. Kaya tuwang-tuwa din siya. And syempre ako, marami na akong lalagyan ng mga gamit ng bata. Kaya, happy na si Mami. So, ayun. Thank you sa lahat ng mga comments ninyo, ha. And ano yan, binabasa namin yan. Pasensya na din dun sa hindi namin nare-replyan dahil sa sobra pong dami. Pero nababasa naman po namin. Kaya, thank you! Thank you mga Zubs! Hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog for today. Mwah!